What's up, beautiful people? Welcome back to my channel. Today is another whole apartment clean with me. If you are new to Emem's home, make sure to subscribe to my channel and let's get straight into it. So today my apartment is a whole mess, as you can see. I really need to stop letting my apartment get to this point, but sometimes you just get lazy or something just happens, or you cook and you just have a bunch of pots and pans in the sink and stuff like that. So this just happens once in a while, and that's what allows me to make these clean with me videos, I guess. But today I'm starting in my bedroom. As you can see, I had some clothes that I had done laundry before, so I'm just putting away the clothes, folding stuff up, hanging stuff up in my closet. So I just wanted to say thank you so much for 1,000 subscribers. You guys have made my whole month. My whole year even. I cannot even imagine how fast we got here, and I am so grateful for this community that we are building here, and can't wait to make more videos. So I know a lot of the new subscribers came from this video on my closet makeover, and I just wanted to show you guys an update of what my closet is looking like right now. This system has completely worked for me. I've absolutely loved using this space. It's been very functional and also pretty. So I guess that's one thing that I always try to do whenever I make over a room or do anything. I try to make it super functional and useful, actually. So one of the mirrors actually fell behind the dresser, and you guys, I have not been able to retrieve this mirror. I just do not want to move that dresser again, but at some point I will. So now I'm just cleaning around my bedroom. If you have seen my bedroom makeover as well, so my bedroom is complete. I still have my little plants by the window, which I absolutely love. They're growing so much. Look at the cactus. The cactus has grown so high in the past few months, and as usual, I'm just going to take out all my bedding and put that into the washing machine because yeah, I need to wash my bedding. So that's the next thing that I am doing. So I know I've been gone for a while, and I apologize for that. I am back now. I am back to posting videos. There's still a lot to do in my apartment. My living room is not done. My bathroom, my kitchen, stuff like that. And I'm still slowly making changes. And you guys know I was straight out of college. This is my very first apartment, so I'm still going as I can because furniture is freaking expensive, and I didn't realize how expensive like furnishing a whole apartment is. But as I go, I will keep posting more videos and also posting more of these clean with me videos because I believe these are super therapeutic and just very calming, and I hope that's what it does for you, because that's the purpose of these clean with me videos. Just something that can calm you down maybe at the end of your day, and just something to watch to give you that relaxing feeling. Also, let me know what you're doing right now as you're watching. Comment down below let me know. Let's have a conversation. I love talking to you guys. And yeah, I just wanted to say that I am back here now, and next week's video is actually very exciting, and I can't wait to share it with you guys. The stovetop cleaner slash buffer on Amazon, and it's actually been an interesting add to my cleaning process. Yeah, it's actually very useful. You basically just use, it gives you like a little sponge and holder, and then you just use that and kind of buff the stovetop, and it removes all the oils and the grime and stuff like that. So it's actually been very useful. I like it so far. I guess the one thing I would say is it's not watery at all. It's like a shiner, if that makes sense. So it makes it shine, and it cleans it, but it's not slip. It doesn't have slip, if that makes sense. So it's kind of uncomfortable when you're cleaning it. That's the only thing. But it does give good results. So after I use it, I usually just go in with my regular spray and just clean it over again. But I think it's been a good add to my cleaning process for sure. Today's bathroom clean was super quick. I basically just scrubbed the bathtub, the sink, and the toilet quickly. This was actually Easter weekend, and my siblings were waiting for me because we were gonna go to dinner or something. I don't remember what we were gonna do, but we're gonna hang out, and I needed to be quick and finish it up. So this is just basically something you can do if your bathroom is not too dirty. You can just quickly clean the bathtub, clean the sink, and clean the toilet, and quickly be done. And so for the floors as well. And now we're back in my bedroom to put my bedding back on and basically make my bed to finish up this cleaning process. I hope this video was super motivating for you so you can get up and actually clean your apartment. And if it wasn't, I hope it was calming and therapeutic for you. Thank you so much for joining me again in today's video, and I will see you guys next time in my next one. I'll see you guys later. Bye!